Hello and welcome guys. Today we are going to unbox this sports camera, or you can tell it GoPro. So let's start it. This is the sports camera. You can check it. I bought from this Doras.com. I'll give the link to in the description, so you can also buy. There are some specifications of this camera. You can load it. This is 1080p plus waterproof, super wide angle lens 140°, waterproof up to 30 meter, and 2-inch LCD, multi-language storage, micro SD not included in this camera, battery 900 mAh, 1.5 hour maximum, input and output micro USB. So let's start unboxing it. Open the box from the top and pull it out. Keep the box. This is our camera. You can look it. This is perfect in case. This is waterproof case. Here are some accessories with the box. This is user guide or user manual sitting here, and this is the charging USB of the camera, and these are some accessories to handle it. This is for the camera, this is for the cycle handling of the camera, and this is some others. So just pull this here and press it out. So we take out it, and this is our camera, 1080p HD, and there are our lens. This is the for micro USB, and this is the charging port, and this is the 2-inch LCD, and this is up and down button. Here is the speaker, and this is the starting recording button, and this is power button. So click here once and it will on. Look guys, you can see it has been on, and put your SD card, so it is showing no card. So guys, if you want to buy this, I will give link in the description. I will give the some footage of this camera in the end of this video.